Auzubillahiminash-shaitanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. I hope you all, my dear students, are very well. Let's start our new topic, which is common types of operating system. So we should first of all we should know on what basis the types are distributed of operating system. So based on three ways of interaction with computers. Okay, it is classified. It is classified into three types. Okay, based on the ways of interaction. Based on the ways of interaction with interface or with computer. Means interface. Okay, which are three types? Command line interface. First type is command line interface. Second type is command line interface, menu driven interface. Menu driven interface. And third one is graphical users interface. Graphical users interface. Okay, it is classified into three types based on the ways of interaction with computer interface. There are three types. First one is command line interface, second one is menu driven interface, third one is graphical user interface. Clear? सबसे पहले अब हम देख लेते हैं. We should know what is command line interface. How to define this term? Commands are given to the computer with keyboard. Okay, commands are given to the computer with कीबोर्ड. सबसे पहले बात याद रखने वाली ये है जी, commands are given to the computer with keyboard. It is based on textual input. It is based on textual input. Okay, the users type in the command and presses the enter key to execute it. Okay, the users types the command and presses the key which key? Enter key. Okay, which key? Enter. ENTER, sorry. Clear? Enter key to execute it. Clear? It is very difficult because users have to remember the command. Okay, एक और character इसका, it is very difficult to use. Okay, difficult to use. Why it is difficult to use? Because users have to remember the commands. Remembers the command. Okay. Two commonly used operating system that use command line interface. These are DOS and Unix. Okay, DOS is disk operating system and Unix is Unix को इसी तरह पढ़ते हैं. Clear? DOS and Unix. What is DOS? Disk operating system. It stands for disk operating system. Clear? Now next is what is DOS? Disk operating system. Clear? DOS, disk operating system. Okay, DOS was the most popular operating system. I'm writing the features of DOS. DOS is the most popular command line interface, CLI, command line interface operating system. Here first feature is this and second feature is DOS displays the prompt to enter the command. What type of prompt I am writing here? DOS displays the prompt. Which type of prompt? C. Clear? Okay, to enter command. Now, users must know the syntax of the command. Users must know the syntax okay, of the command. Next one is, it is a single user and single task operating system. Clear? It is a single user and single task performing operating system. operating system is the most popular command line interface operating system. Display operating system displays the prompt. Here, this is the prompt to enter commands. And next one is users must know the syntax of the command. And fourth one is single users and single task. It is single users and single task performing operating system. DOS is the single user and single task performing operating system. Clear? So following are the some examples of their descriptions. Here I am writing the examples and their descriptions. So what are the examples? DIR, first of all, DIR. This is stands for display the content. This description is here. Displays the content. The contents of current directory. Directory means folder. Clear? Next one is format D. Okay. What is the description of format D? Format the D drive. Last one is CD PEX. Okay. CD and PEX. Okay. This description is CD stands for change directory, which makes PEX the current directory. Okay, girls. Stands for change directory. Okay, which makes PEX the current directory. Current directory. Clear? Now next one is Unix. What is Unix? So let me describe it. Unix operating system. Write the features of Unix. First feature of it is multiple user operating system. Okay, it is multiple user or multi-users front line interface operating system. Okay, next one is it was introduced in 1969. Okay, it was introduced means it is multitasker. Okay, it allows multiple users to run different programs at the same time. It allows multiple users to run different programs at the same time. Clear? Next feature is it was developed for use on large computer system. Clear? It was developed for use on large computer system. Clear, guys? So I am going to repeat I am giving you a very short recap of this, okay, of only command line interface. What was the command line interface? We have three common types of operating system. First one was command line interface, second one was menu driven interface, and third one was graphical user interface. Okay, what was the command line interface? In command line interface, commands are given to the computer with keyboard. It is based on textual input. The users type and commands and presses. What users will do? User will type the command and press the key to execute it. Okay. Two commonly used operating systems. First one was DOS and second one was Unix. Okay. What was the DOS? Disk operating system. DOS was the most popular CLI operating system. CLI stands for command line interface. Okay. DOS displays the prompt to enter the commands. User must know the syntax of command. Okay. DOS commands are difficult to remember. Why it is difficult? Because users have to memorize. Users have to remember that task or command which he or she perform on his computer. Okay. It is a single user and single task operating system. Clear? So some examples are still written on the board, which was dir format D CD pics. Okay, dir was its description was displays the contents of current directory or folder. Okay, format D means format the D drive. Clear? Format the D drive. And CD pics, CD change directory, which makes the pic current directory. Okay, change directly to current directory. Clear, girls? So this was your very first type of operating system, which was command line interface. Clear? Tomorrow we will discuss about menu driven interface and graphical user interface. Clear? So keep enjoying and keep learning at your your home. Stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye, my dear students.